Hey affiliate newbie, are you confused and overwhelmed by affiliate marketing and not finding a direct path to follow? Get a 100-day roadmap, a step-by-step guide from professional marketers, not wannabe YouTube personalities. Instead, you can master the true skills of affiliate marketing. You don't have to feel clueless and left behind about affiliate marketing or feel information overload and overwhelm. So instead of trying to figure out which advice is worth your precious time, click the button in this video to get access to the 100-day affiliate bootcamp. With so much noise from a bazillion so-called marketing experts all screaming for your attention and your money, it's tough to know who to listen to. And so you might not end up taking any action at all, but that's not a good strategy either, and deep down you know this. You know you've got to get profitable affiliate marketing strategies in play, but how? And who's giving you the right advice that's working now? We'll get access now to the 100% free training built by professional affiliate marketers, the Affiliate Bootcamp. Click in the top right corner or the bottom left to get yours. Click now and you'll get right over to our page where you can access the free bootcamp right now.